Good evening, tight liners, and welcome back to the channel. Fishing down here on Penrose Beach in one of Winnies Worms Friday night matches. Just realised I haven't got my microphone on. I'm going to sort that out in a bit. Anyway, I've got one bait out, 3 hooks down there, all baited with raglan. Fishing very light, 2 ounce grip lead on my Shimano's lure rod. Thinking it's a shallow beach. Could I get more better bite section with the lighter rod? So, like I said, there is a match. Anything over 15 centimetres, dogs 50 centimetres. Let's see what happens. I'll sort it about my wife and dog. Guys, bait's been in the water around 20 minutes. Time for a bait check. I think we've got some weed on here. No. Bait's pretty much untouched. Let's go back out. This time I've got raglan, lurg and mackerel, and lurg and mackerel, and rag and mackerel on this one. Let's see. Right, but if you know, let's not about how to do it. So tonight I've got Rich fishing to my left, and he's got 3 whitings hooked at. Very small though. The last one he came to me with now was 15 centimetres, just bang on the limit. And then to my right, I got Emlyn Perry, who's got nothing yet, like me. I noticed that Rich is giving a good old swim and getting out there. So maybe I'm going to have to change my tactics and go with my one of the bigger rods that I've got up the top there. See if I can get it out there further. I'll start with the lurking dog. Right, this is very poor. So far Rich has had 4 waiting. We've seen Wayne Grant over there has had 2. So I've switched now to a bigger rod so I can get the bait out a bit further. Today is the channel's anniversary, guys. 1 year. Fantastic year it's been as well. Yeah. So there is a video that's dropped tonight at 5 o'clock celebrating it, so get over and have a look and yeah, enjoy. Hopefully I can bring you a fish in a bit. Don't want to blank. The excitement of the last few sessions have been yeah. Anyway, that's fishing in winter on a very, very flat beach. No chydig. Well guys, 7 minutes past 8, over an hour and a half gone and still nothing. Not even a sniff. So now all I've put out there is 3 hooks, size 2s, all with mackerel on. Trying everything. That's what Rich is using, so let's see if it works for me. No chydig. I do believe I might have a fish, guys. Bloody hell. I saw a bite. It's very, very small. And it's very, very small. There's a fish there. Oh my god. You would not believe the triple shots, guys. Triple shot away to. That's we're off the mark. We're going. Here we go. Yes, guys. Here we go. Hopefully there'll be two more. Let's go and get these measured. Let's go and get these measured, guys, and signed in. No, no chydig. So 3 whiting takes me up to 63 centimetres. From 0 to 63 in seconds. No, no chydig. Well, it's 9 o'clock. Hour and a half left. Coming up to the top of the tide. I was hoping that after those 3 fish that things were going to kick off, but things haven't. Rich, he's had a few fish now. He's up to about 133 centimetres. So a dog and a couple of whiting would get me up there. But there's been one dog up there, that's about it. They're few and far between. We'll keep trying, dal I drio. Os oes rhywbeth fel yr arfer, mi ddoi chi'n dod. Well guys, I've just had one more whiting there. 19 centimetre, massive. Taking my card up to 83 centimetres. Is it? $82 centimetres. I've heard down over that way, over there, down the bottom end of the beach, Arthur Beach is on about 2.5 metres of fish now. So I need some dogs or something to catch up with that. Os oes rhywbeth, byddai chi'n dol. Well guys, into the last hour. Still on 82 centimetres. This is not good. This is typical winter fishing on a very shallow beach. But I've saved the blank. Be nice. Even a shore rockling would be good. Don't know where they dabs or flounders here. Anyway guys, let's get back to it. Sauce rhywbeth like yn dod. Right guys, just had one more whiting there, which was 28 centimetres. Takes me to 1 metre 10. Miles behind anyone else. I know that Rich is on well, 160 something now. Arthur Beachy over there was on over 2.5 metres about an hour ago. I need some dogfish. Wayne Grant's just had a dab. First flatfish I've heard from here tonight. I thought there'd be a few more of those. Anyway guys, so we've got now 25 minutes left. Let's see what else I can get. Well guys, that's the end of the match. Not good. So anyway, what we'll do is I'll walk back over there now, and we'll see what's what, see who's won. Not ychydig.
3.5 metres. Thank you so much. Hey, hang on for now. Well done, Winnie.
Then Winnie.
Wayne over there, hovering there. Grand.
Wait, stop. Carry on with the white in.
Then Wayne.
Oh, you got that fucking thing on?
I don't know.
Put your money back.
Yeah, cheers.
About a quid.
Thanks.
Keep just on some fish there, that's all.